What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to talk about these LED lights, because if you guys remembered, I installed some new ones on my fog lights and I love them so much that I ended up picking up another set for my headlights. Now they are for the low beams. I'm going to order the additional ones for the high beams and they are going to look sweet. 4-wheel drive king. Definitely check them out in the link in the description below. I'm going to put it there, so if you guys are interested, click on it and choose the car that you have and get these. I'm telling you, they are so worth it. They come with little fans so they don't overheat, and it's really cool. I also installed some LED lights in my trunk, so now instead of the blue that I used to have, I actually have it looking pure white. Look at that. You'll be able to see it a lot better during the nighttime, so I'll definitely hit to that clip to show you now. Guys, obviously I'm not going to show you how to install the LED lights on the Corolla because they're very similar to the fog lights. You just twist and turn. That's all it is. You just have to know which one it is. So in order to find yours, just turn your headlight switch on and look for the lights that you want. If you want high beams, flip your headlight switch to the high beams and this will light up. If you want low beams, flip your headlight switch back to normal. This one will light up. And that's how you figure out which one it is, and all you have to do is just twist your bulbs and you'll find it, guys. I'm telling you, this is so sick. Let me hit to the clip of it at nighttime and I'm gonna show you the clip of it at daytime. So here's night. Guys, right behind me is the LED lights during the day. Look how bright that is. Just because it's daytime doesn't mean it doesn't shine well. That looks sick, guys. It looks super sick. It kind of looks like Iron Man when the centerpiece lights up. That looks fresh. That looks fresh. I'm telling you guys, if you guys are interested, definitely pick it up. 4-wheel drive king LED headlights. They're right here. They're super neat. They're super cool. And they are really bright. They help you see at the road, and supposedly they do not blind the other drivers. I don't know because I haven't spoken to the other drivers and no one has honked at me yet, so I take that as a good sign. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick episode. I know it wasn't nothing special or crazy like my last episodes, but I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.